Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Arvind from Explain Tech. Wishing you all a happy Pongal, advance happy Pongal, guys. Have a blast and hope you enjoyed watching Talevar's Peta and Ultimate Stars Viswasam. I do watch both the films, both are great. Don't try to download from the net. Go to theaters with your family, have some enjoyment. So, celebrations apart, let's get started. Video we're going to be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Huawei Mate 20 Pro by Huawei. It says that it has that Leica triple camera. The Leica branding is there. Even we had the Leica lens in its previous models like the P20 Pro, the Mate 20, the Mate 10. So and yeah, let me show you around what else we got. So we don't have any specific details about the phone. It just says it has that 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This is the emerald green color, guys. I don't have the twilight blue color. Actually, I thought of getting it, but I couldn't get hold of it. So it says it is being made in China, and I don't see that pricing here. They don't provide the pricing details. So yeah, let me open up the seal and show you what else we got inside the box. So it opens up like this. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's open, and let me take off the box. Yeah, straight away we have the phone. I think that should be the handset. Yeah, let me take it out and show you. Initial impression, guys, the phone looks pretty premium and very light in the hand. Even it has that huge 4200 mAh battery. So let me keep the handset at the side and show you what else we got inside the box. So opening up the box, we have a booklet like a box inside. Let me open and show you what we got inside. So it is having that TPU silicone case applied by Huawei. It's of great quality. Let me come back to this case later on. So let me show you this booklet. It says quick start guide, and also it should have the SAR value information and warranty card inside. It's in different languages like French, Urdu and Arab, so I don't have the habit of reading books. So let me throw that off and come back to the handset itself. So peeling off the cover, as you can see, oh my gosh, they have just crafted the backside portion of this Huawei device, and it has that weird pattern like thing, and it also makes some weird sound. Let me show you that. As you can see, guys, as you can hear that weird sound there, Huawei claims it to be some different type of pattern-like design in order to avoid or resist fingerprint magnets. Most of the flagship devices now comes with the glass back, and they do attract a lot of fingerprint magnets. So they have just put this type of back so that they can avoid that fingerprint magnet. So let me keep the device. So let me put the case first and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and initial impression, guys, the phone looks very light in the hand, even though it has that massive 4200 mAh battery. So let me keep that aside and show you what else accessories we have got in the box. So this is the power brick. Let me show you that. It's a Huawei supercharge power adapter, and it says its rating is at maximum 40 watt, and the output rating is 5 volts at 2 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 10 volts at 4 amps. So that is indeed a fast charger. It's a 40 watt charger provided by Huawei. You can charge your phone from 0 to 100 in just 45 minutes. So let me keep that aside and show you what else we got. We have a USB Type-C cable. Okay. We have a nice pair of headphones, as you can see. These are in-ear type, like the AirPods of Apple. And it's a Type-C headphone, so that's a nice thing. Let me open up and show you. It has that volume rockers, as you can see, buttons, and a center button for pausing or playing your music and other stuff. So we have an this headphone jack to a Type-C adapter. So that's a nice thing that Huawei is including that. Apple doesn't do that. Even they are selling their phone for 1.5 lakhs. So let me keep all this thing aside and come back to the handset itself. So guys, this Huawei Mate 20 Pro is powered by the Huawei's own Hisilcon Kirin 980 processor, which is an octa-core processor clocked at 2.9 GHz, and it has that triple camera setup at the back. The primary sensor is a 48 megapixel sensor, and other two sensors are depth sensors for assisting this camera. And we have that flash over here, and I'll show you around. Let me take the cover and show you around. We have an IR blaster. That's a nice thing that Huawei including is that. And we have a secondary noise cancellation mic. We have that volume rockers, power button. They have given a different color tone for this power button. And we have that charging port, SIM tray, and a primary noise cancellation mic. We have nothing over this side. So let me do one thing. Let me boot up the phone for the first time and show you how it boots up. Yeah, it gave me that haptic feedback, and it says Huawei made by or powered by Android. Let it boot up. So guys, I've just set up the phone. So we have that in-display fingerprint scanner. Let me show you how fast it is. Yeah, it was very fast, as you can see. As I keep the finger, it just opens up without any lag. Yeah, that was pretty fast. And also the face unlock works pretty good on this phone. We have that big notch over here. We have a single camera lens, a notification LED. We have the dot projector and other stuffs for the face unlock feature. And so this is the home page itself. And initially it shows some temperature and other stuff over here. Let me go to the settings and show you the version of Android it is currently running on. System, about phone, and it's running on the EMUI 9 and top of the Android Pie. So that's a great thing. It's running on Android Pie. It says Huawei Kirin 980. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, and its security patch is December. So that's a nice thing that Huawei is pushing the updates fast for their Huawei devices. So yeah, let me show you other things like the camera interface. So guys, this is how the camera looks like. As you can see, oh my gosh, the timer is on by default. Let me turn it off. Yeah, so I've turned off the timer, and as you can see, the shutter speed is very fast. It's just a blink of an eye. Takes photos instantly, and the photos are very good. It says that Huawei Mate 20 Pro Leica triple camera AI. I'll take some camera samples and upload later, guys. So these are the different modes. We have that portrait mode, the night mode, the aperture mode, and photo, video, pro. And in more, we have some other options like the slow motion, panorama, monochrome, and other stuff. So let's not get deep into the camera. Let me show you other things like. And initial impression, guys, the phone is very fast. The gesture, I've just kept the gesture. Swipe up from up for the recent apps, and go to some app and just press this. I mean, slide from the side to get back, and just open and slide up. It goes back to its normal position. So that's nice. So that's it, guys. This is a quick unboxing and overview of this Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I'll be doing a separate video with its pros and cons later. So thanks for watching this video. If this is your first time here, as usual, please share, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye, take care.